Your inner light. This is something very special, something powerful and magical. Something what will make you happier and make you remind yourself what is your biggest strength in your life. So let's create some special art which will show your inner light. And I'm going to be painting my light, my inner light, which might be inspiration for you.
Okay, let's go.
Why do we talk about our inner light, your light, my inner light as well? Because we are covered under layers of what we should be doing and shouldn't be doing. Something what was done to us perhaps in childhood. Something how we're trying to be somebody else, fit in some society. Trying to succeed perhaps as well. So I'm trying to uncover that, think about how beautiful we are inside and trying to get out the light, the inner light, the beautiful, energetic, happy you and me. So let's create something really powerful, lovely, happy air. Something what we can then look, remind us, and something what we can put on our wall so we can look at it and think, wow, this is my inner light. That's what I would like to do. I would like to create an energetic piece of art which will shine up your wall, not because it's pretty, but it reminds you piece of yourself who you might forgotten. So let's think about your inner light, my inner light, our inner light. That's it, my lovely YouTubers. I finish painting and expressing how does it feel, my inner light. I hope you enjoy the process as much as I did, because I really love how I captured the energy and the strength of the inner light, and I hope you feel the inner light out from it, because I do. I think it is fantastic piece to put on the wall and to remind yourself in the morning how brilliant is our inner light, how we can be proud of it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you find it as much energizing as I did. And join me next time. We will do something empowering again, because I love helping you. I love helping you feel a little bit better, create some energetic, empowering sign which will make your life just a little bit happier. So if you enjoyed it, let me know. Let me know if you think anything, and I'm excited to read that. See you next time. After we done, talk about family when family's all that we got. Everything I would do, you instead.